Namaste. We are the students of Team Wipro Earthian Sustainability and Biodiversity from Mahatma Gandhi International School, Port Blair, Sri Vijayapuram. Today we will be exploring our school campus for the first activity under the compulsory section, that is the vegetation survey and the wildlife survey. Under the vegetation survey, we will be looking after the interesting and unique sectors under the vegetation, and for the wildlife survey, we will be thriving for lives in our environment at every nook and corner. Thank you.
Namaste. We are the Wild Whispers of Mahatma Gandhi International School, Sri Vijayapuram. And today we will be conducting the species diversity in our backyard activity focused on understanding local biodiversity and the factors that influence it. We conducted two main comparisons to achieve this goal. First was comparison of microhabitats. In this section, we examined the species diversity and abundance in two different microhabitats which were on and above the ground. The second part of this activity was comparison of avian diversity. This part investigated how human impact affects bird diversity. We placed bird paths in two different locations. One in a less disturbed natural environment with ample vegetation and other in an open, highly disturbed area. By monitoring the visits and identifying different bird species, we found that human disturbance has a notable negative effect on avian diversity.
Namaste, we are the biodiversity team from Mahatma Gandhi International School, Sri Vijayapuram. Today we will present activity 3, which is biodiversity and us. Part 1, the game Hopscotch Connection. In the beginning, we play a hopscotch game with 8 blocks. Each block has a card with an action related to biodiversity. We'll divide the class into 2 teams. Each team will take the turn tossing the stone, hopping through the grid and picking up a biodiversity card.
Part 2, the story of fig jigsaw puzzle. The fig tree is known as the keystone species because it supports so many life forms in the rainforest. In the puzzle story, a male bird presents figs to the female as part of courtship. Together, they build a nest inside the tree and raise their chicks with the help of figs. This shows how the survival of birds and trees are connected.
What is endangered conservation which we do within the forest. एक सिर्फ मैंने अब ऐसा एक स्टेज आ गया कि from endangered it has led to extinct.
में बहुत अंतर है। जैसा पहले घना जंगल था, अभी सारा जंगल काट के खत्म हो गया।
ज़्यादा हो गया समस्या, इसलिए तुम्हें
आप लोग कहाँ से सोर्स करते हैं, बाहर से मंगाते या लोकली ग्रो करते हैं?
ऑल फ्रॉम बजाज चेन्नई।
और मतलब
We are the Wild Whispers, and today we will be conducting activity number 5, biodiversity threats and conservation. In this activity, we were provided with 4 case studies, from which we are supposed to select one and try understanding the value of biodiversity. So from all the case studies, we selected one of them, that is restoring the mangroves in Sundarban. And after reading the case study, we are supposed to select an act in front of the students and present an act.
Are found and the species is Sundari.
ठीक है, it has multiple benefits in it, but the thing is, as a human development is
Thank you, daughters of Sundarban. We will grow again and protect our land.
Namaste, my name is Kshitij and I am the member of Wipro Earthian Sustainability and Biodiversity Team Wild Whispers. Today we are going to perform elective activity under which we have chosen Habitat for Insects, in which we will be using some old built materials like tiles, woods, all cemented blocks and some wooden logs for making a habitat in which insects can live in. Now we have completed our habitat for insects, in which we have used some old materials, and here you can see we have also added some grasses for making it look like habitat for insects. Now we will be observing it for 2 to 3 weeks and will be seeing that if any insects will make their home.
Namaste. We, the Wild Whispers of Wipro Earthian Sustainability and Biodiversity of Mahatma Gandhi International School, Sri Vijayapura. We were assigned to design and create a mini pod system. For this, we started collecting raw materials like a tub that served as the base. We made an elevated pond system, for which we decorated it with sand, white stones, colorful pebbles, and also added natural rocks that had mosses already grown on them. To add life and ecological balance to the pond system, we added water plants like water hyacinth, water lettuce, and also water snowflake. We also added cemented tiles to it that can act as a platform for the insects to reach the pond system and make it a habitat for them.